Hello guys. Bitcoin has been going through this correction phase for a few months now. And in this video, I wanted to talk about Cathie Wood, CEO and the CIO of ARK Invest's view on Bitcoin. And in recent interview she had, which I'm gonna show you later, the video clips, she still holds very bullish view on Bitcoin. And she once said, Bitcoin will replace gold and become the digital gold, essentially. And based on the market cap of gold, she believes Bitcoin will reach to $500,000 per coin within the next 5 years. And the good news is she still holds the same bullish view, and she still believes that Bitcoin will reach to $500,000 pretty soon. And the other thing she mentioned and believes in the recent interview is the solar-powered cryptocurrency mining will be the next big thing. Many people, including Elon Musk, is concerned about the environmental issue for cryptocurrency mining. But from the point of view of Cathie Wood, she believes the solar-powered crypto mining could solve this issue and actually help Bitcoin mining and also solar adoption. And the other thing is, based on all the indicators she has from the ARK Invest, she firmly believes the Bitcoin right now at this point is in a capitulation phase, and therefore it's a very good point to buy. And she not only just said that, she also did it to prove her point. So on June 22nd, ARK Invest, one of the ARK fund, which is ARKW ETF, bought 1 million shares of GBTC when BTC is below $30,000 this Tuesday. And now the GBTC holding for ARKW becomes the 9th largest holding. In addition to that, ARKK, another ARK ETF, bought 50 million of Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, on the same day. So Cathie Wood did add more Bitcoin-related stocks and equity to her fund. And next, I wanted to show you the video clips in her interview so you can find out the details. If this is the first time you watch this channel, please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. Also, if you like the content, please do like the video. Thank you.
April told Dow Jones that it could go to about $500,000. Do you still hold that target? Do you still think that's where we're headed?
We do. I do. Yassine El-Mandra is our crypto analyst, and we go through soul-searching times like this and scrape the models, and yes, our conviction is as high. The one thing that has changed here, however, is the environmental concerns around Bitcoin in particular have caused people like Elon Musk to pull away and say, whoa, let me make sure I understand this. And we believe that even this is going to change because, first of all, right now, the percentage of Bitcoin mined with renewables and hydroelectric power is quite substantial. I think in China, it's over 50% in renewables. And we also believe, and we wrote a paper in conjunction with Square on this, and we're going to have a conference about it in July. We believe that Bitcoin mining integrated into the distributed grid, and by that I mean solar roofs, power walls in homes, utilities, merchant power producers, starting to include Bitcoin mining in the ecosystem. Why would they do that? They would do it because renewables are intermittent power sources, right? Weather, is it sunny or not? Wind, is it windy or not? And Bitcoin mining could take off if there's excess energy from solar being loaded into power walls. It can be offloaded into Bitcoin mining, and the whole ecosystem therefore becomes much more economic. If this happens, we believe that the adoption of solar is going to accelerate dramatically because there's another profit center associated with it, Bitcoin mining.
Well, what happens though in the meantime? So here we are at 35,000, Cathie. Do you think we go much lower from here?
You never know how low is low when a market gets very emotional. A lot of traders see Bitcoin dropping below the 200-day moving average, which was at 40,000. So traders, once that happened, they just dump. Some just dump and run. I think we're in a capitulation phase. Yassine has a dashboard. We were looking at all the indicators this morning. They are all suggesting that we are in the capitulation phase, which is a really great time to buy, no matter what the asset is. A capitulation phase is buy. It's on sale. Now, am I saying 35,000 is the low? You know, if traders, and there are a lot of speculators in Bitcoin, if they are running for the hills just because Bitcoin has broken through a moving average that is important to them, it could continue, but all of our indicators are saying this is capitulation right now.
Do you have a low point on your model for Bitcoin?
No, these metrics are more a measure. Are we in a truly capitulation phase? Okay. And it's very detailed. Yassine uses on-chain analysis, which this is the only asset where you can see exactly who's doing what, when, why, and how. And all of those metrics are saying this is a capitulation. This is as bad as it got during the coronavirus crisis. But of course, this demographic is very interested in crypto as well. And this week, we learned that stablecoins had crossed $100 billion, 20 billion of which is USDC. And that's up tenfold in just 1 year. We also got an update that DeFi now accounts for $67 billion, roughly $70 billion of the value locked in Ether. So that also is up at least tenfold, probably more than that. NFTs, we're hearing a lot about that. So it seems like Ethereum is finding a lot of support. Certainly those three are built on top of Ethereum. Of course, Bitcoin is, which we still believe is the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem, understanding that stable coins could be giving it somewhat of a run for its money. But we also heard that, or saw through his tweets, that Elon is maybe not as high on Bitcoin as he once was. We don't know. We don't know if he sold what he put on the balance sheet as a diversification from cash. So we have seen a little bit of indigestion from all cryptos because of this. And yet when I look at where it is right now, it seems to be weathering well. This 30 to 40,000 range seems to be a good testing zone. Frankly, I feel better that we are in the midst of a correction and everyone's doing a reality check and trying to figure out all the risks and the opportunities associated with the various cryptos. Dogecoin is amusing. Our analyst Yassine El-Mandra is going to be writing up some of his thoughts about why it will not become the reserve currency of the crypto asset ecosystem. And in fact, a lot of this is based around network effect and the security of the network, which is all important when it comes to transferring large sums of value. And so our confidence in Bitcoin has not diminished at all. Our confidence.
Hey, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell. Also, turn on the notification. See you next time.